Good morning. Welcome to my life as a student teacher. It is currently like 7:05. I need to head out to go get some breakfast, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. Here I'm just wearing this again with black slacks really, and my cheetah print shoes with my cheetah print headband. So this is what I'm wearing today, and I just put my hair in a bun, and this is what I'm going with today. So I'll see you guys for breakfast. The sun is beautiful outside. I love it. It's my favorite things. Okay. So I'm not sure what that beeping noise is, but I wanted to show you guys my breakfast. I want to make a bacon, egg, and cheese bagel with some fruit. Right here I have my pineapples and oranges, and then of course my orange juice. So I'm about to get started. Okay, so let me just give you guys an update. So right now I just took the kids to morning break, and my teacher is out, so we have a sub, and I just taught a great ELA lesson on like OA and OW words. I'll actually go show you guys that right now. We took a pretest of those words, and then we learned like the long O's and how they make the OA, like boat. They make the long O sounds, and then so I just did that ELA, and then went to break, and then when I come back, I'm going to teach a lesson on, hopefully you guys can see me. I'm going to teach a lesson on, like basically a review lesson of what they've been learning, biblical truths, and then for math, we're going to learn how to tell time today. So I have a few manipulatives for those, and I'm so glad that each kid gets their own clock, because basically the objective is having them tell the hour today, and then I think an hour and a half tomorrow. So they're going to learn that. And then my last thing is like social studies review. So they're going to do a review lesson and then have a quiz tomorrow. So basically I'm teaching all day, all the way from like the 20th to the 29th. So I'm super excited, and the day of my life, but the kids are so energetic because they just got back from a long Easter break. So we had to do a lot of brain breaks today, but I'm excited because like I missed them all weekend, and just to see their smiling faces like hi, 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 so energetic. I love it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys for lunch. Guys, I took the kids to break and somebody put this on my desk. Wow, because my cooperating teacher is gone. I literally love it. Thank you. Like lunchtime. Alrighty, so it's now lunchtime. This is my lunchbox. Got it for Christmas, just for student teaching. But it was so cute because usually I don't wear my glasses. I usually do wear my glasses. And this one girl from another class, she was like, "You forgot your glasses today." I was dying laughing. I'm like, actually I'm wearing contacts today. I'm so thirsty. Like, teaching and talking a lot, it makes my mouth so hungry. So today I have a salad for lunch with this cookie that I couldn't resist eating. It's a little cold because I put my whole lunchbox in the refrigerator. This vitamin water is pretty good. Dragon fruit. So good. So I'm about to eat lunch. That's what I have for lunch. And I'll catch up with you guys later on. He's beside me in kindergarten. We're neighbors. Literally start popping all the time, scaring me. Literally, her back is turned. I just feel like scaring her. But yeah, we've been through the education department together, struggling through, and we graduate in a few weeks. Yes, we do. So exciting. But yeah, I just want you guys to meet her. You guys probably see a lot more of her when we eat lunch together. Hey guys, so I'm actually doing a really good job updating you guys. I'm really proud of myself. But I just taught a great time lesson on the objective was to have them be able to like see what the hour is. So I'll show you guys that worksheet. And I'm really tired, but I have one more lesson in me, a social studies review lesson. And I'm gonna play games with the kids, and that's gonna be really fun. And then we're gonna be done for the day. So this is my worksheet. So this is just, they have to match the hour analog clock with the written clock, and then do this. It's so cute. But just finished just the end of the day. I'm going to go home and eat. I still have to talk to my co about a few things, and then I can go home, and I may have a scope and sequence due tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. I may do that because we also have a worship night, so we'll just see what the rest of this vlog entails.
Pass away, the word remains the same. History can prove there's nothing you can't do. You're faithful and true. Though the storms may come and the winds may blow, I'll remain steadfast. And let my heart learn when you speak a word, it will come to pass. Great is your faithfulness to me. I just can't win the fight. I'm fully drifting, a vagabond. And just when I ran out of the road, I met a man I didn't know. He told me that I was not alone. You picked me up, you turned me around, you placed my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior, because you healed my heart, I changed my name, forever free. I'm not the
That is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, comment down your favorite part of my day. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.